How to connect hamster kombat to Telegram wallet. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your hamster kombat with your Telegram wallet or any other Telegram wallet. So for that, just open your Telegram account and click on search, and here search hamster. When you search hamster, you can see the option called hamster kombat with verified blue tick. Just open this. Now, when you first time use this, just simply click on start. Now, you can see there is an option play in one click. Click on play in one click. Then simply click on start. Now it's loading. Now give it some time. Simply click on tap to start. Now hamster combat game has been open. Now at the bottom right side you can see the option called airdrop. Simply click on airdrop. Now click on connect your Ton wallet. Again click on connect your Ton wallet. Then click on open wallet in Telegram. Now you can see start exploring Ton. Click on this. Now your Ton wallet have been created, and now it's asking you to back up your wallet. So you can use both email or manually. So just simply click on email and just follow the instruction and back up your wallet. Once your wallet backup, now you have the option to connect your wallet to Ton. So just simply click on this. Now connect your Ton wallet, just close it and your wallet has been connected. So this is the way you can connect hamster combat to wallet in Telegram.